If you're spending hours online trying to make money and not seeing results, you are not alone. But what if I told you there is a secret AI website that is helping completely normal people? People with no tech skills, no fancy degrees, and no big investments earn $100 every single day just by using simple AI tools. In this video, I'll reveal exactly how they're doing it, step by step. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to start. Watch this till the end, because this might be the simplest way to earn online in 2025 without wasting time. They use ChatGPT for script writing, 11 Labs for realistic voiceovers, and free video editing apps to make simple videos. People are creating simple blogs using WordPress or Blogger. They use ChatGPT to write articles like best gadgets under $50 and insert affiliate links. With just a few viral articles and some basic SEO, many people are earning $10, $20, even $50 daily in affiliate commissions, all powered by AI writing fast articles. By uploading consistently, people are making money from YouTube ads and affiliate links. The beauty is, no camera, no voice, no editing skills. AI handles most of it. This doesn't require money to start. ChatGPT's free version works well. Fiverr and Etsy are free to join. YouTube is free. Affiliate programs are free. It's just about taking action with AI as your assistant. With viral shorts and regular videos, people easily reach $100 a day after some growth. Let's get straight into it. The website I'm talking about is ChatGPT combined with Fiverr. But wait, it's not just basic writing. People are using ChatGPT to provide high-demand services like resume writing, product descriptions, YouTube scripts, and even social media posts. In minutes, let me explain. With AI tools like ChatGPT or Perplexity AI, people finish data tasks faster, making small but steady income every day. They use ChatGPT to complete the work fast. What usually takes 1 hour, ChatGPT does in 5 to 10 minutes. This means people can take 5 to 10 orders daily, earning $10 to $20 per order, easily crossing $100 a day. First, normal people are going to Fiverr, creating a simple gig like I will write engaging YouTube scripts, or I will write SEO product descriptions. And here's why this is working in 2025. Businesses need fast, affordable services. Small YouTubers need scripts. Etsy sellers need product descriptions. Local businesses need blog posts. Let us talk about the second way people are using AI to earn daily, selling simple digital products on Etsy. People are creating e-journals, printable planners, and AI-generated guides using ChatGPT and selling them on Etsy. For example, you can use ChatGPT to write a quick guide like 10 quick recipes for busy people. Design it with Canva and upload it on Etsy for $5. If just 5 to 10 people buy daily, you make $25, $50 passively. Many are uploading multiple products and hitting $100 days without any hard selling. You don't need to be a writer. ChatGPT handles the hard part. You just edit, personalize, and deliver. But it's not just Fiverr. The third method people are using is YouTube cash cow channels with AI. Normal people are starting faceless YouTube channel. A fourth method, affiliate marketing using AI blogs. And finally, people are even using AI for micro-tasks. Websites like Remote Tasks and EPN offer small jobs. The best part, so here's what you should do. Step 1. Pick one method. Freelancing, Etsy, YouTube, blogging, or micro-tasks. Step 2. Use ChatGPT and Canva to complete simple tasks. Step 3. Stay consistent for 20 to 30 days. People who stay consistent are getting real results, earning their first $100, then turning it into $500, $1,000, and more. So tell me in the comments, which AI earning method are you going to try? I read every comment. Like this video, subscribe for more AI earning tips, and I'll see you in the next video, where you will learn another secret AI method most people don't know about.